We are all taught how to handle failure, but we are not taught how to handle success. I'll give you 3 tips on how to handle success. Number one, whenever you have a situation where you achieve success, you have every right to celebrate. You must pat yourself on the back. You must feel happy. You must throw a party. You can dance, do whatever. Celebrate success. That will motivate you to aim for more success. But the only thing you must remember is when you celebrate success, you must realize that this is a one-off celebration for this success. This celebration must not be continuous. It must not become a situation of showing off continuously, because if you want to show off continuously the success that you have achieved, showing off needs a lot of energy, money expenditure, and time. There is no guarantee that you will continue to have success and you will have all these resources to continuously show off. And if you get habituated to showing off and one fine day you are not able to show off, then you go into a depression, or you can't handle the failure that happens. So you celebrate, but don't continuously show off. The most important thing is to realize that success is like a hill where you are climbing. There is no pinnacle for this hill. You think you have reached the pinnacle of success, the height of success, but then you look up and you see there is more to climb. But there is one thing that is certain. In the process of climbing, it's not a continuous steep mountain. The mountain goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. There are innumerable downward slopes that you come across in your path to success. If you don't anticipate these downward slopes, if you are not mentally prepared for these downward slopes, if you think it's a continuous uphill and no downward slope will be there, in that case, when you unexpectedly come across a downward slope, you will just fall steep and you don't know how to stop the downward fall, and you don't know how to handle the stress and the disappointment that comes with it. So remember, it is easy to handle failure, but it is very difficult to handle success. And if you don't know how to handle success, you will not know how to handle failure when it happens. Thank you.